I'm gonna welcome you back to the farm. We've had quite the week. This one right here was the first one born, and it was born to Honey. Over here's Honey. She's got the red collar, and I think she was born, or this one was born 3 days ago, and it's a little girl, and it's it already feels heat. I mean, it's hot. We're gonna name this one Phoebe. And I don't think she's got any horns.
Oh, hi, baby.
But the tragic part of this one is she had twins and one of them passed. So this one's, she's kind of small, but that's okay. But you get a look at her.
She's cute as can be, though. Look at her.
Her name's Phoebe.
Hi, Phoebe. Hi, baby. Oh, she's so soft.
She's pretty.
Yes, she's very pretty. Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay, Phoebe.
So let's go over and we'll look at we got some more over here. Over to you, Mama. She has been nursing and all that, so she's just kind of small. Of course, you know, Honey's kind of small.
Yeah. Yeah, we didn't think she was... We thought she might have one because she wasn't very big.
Yeah, we thought she just had one baby going.
And she ended up having twins.
And we hated that the other one died. So now over here, look over here. We just had 2 born in the last, I don't know, hour or so, would you say?
Yeah.
But we're going to look at this one over here first. And that one's with Honey. I mean, what is
Flower.
It? Flower.
Mm-hmm.
And, where about it?
She's a good-sized baby, that one. She's feisty.
It's okay.
It's all right, baby. It's okay.
Now this right here is one pretty goat.
Yeah, she is.
This might be, I don't know, I haven't looked at the other ones yet, so. This is a girl, so.
Hi, baby.
And she's
Come
big
here.
now.
Yeah, she is. She's a big baby.
So we thought
She's a
she was
big
having
baby.
twins.
Yeah.
Right here's her mama.
Mm-hmm.
And
It's Flower.
we thought she's having twins, but she only had the one.
Mm-hmm.
And you're gonna call this one Bootsy?
That one's going to be Boots.
Boots.
Yeah, because she looks like she's got boots on with her
Yeah,
brown. She's got black and then her feet are brown, so she's going to be Boots.
Now she's heavy. She's a lot heavier than that one over there. Oh, it's a boy. Oh, no.
Yeah, I think that is a boy, ain't it? Looks like it's got a...
Yeah. Gosh, that's a pretty goat. Look at that.
His is pretty.
That was just born.
Oh.
Let's see what this other one is. Please be a girl.
It's a boy. She had 2 boys.
Dadgummit.
We got 2 boys and 2 girls. Gigi last time, but Honey and Flower are her baby, so she had girls last time. So this time she's got 2 boys. But they're awful cute. I knew that she was big.
Oh, they are pretty, ain't they?
Yes, they are. She was really big, so I knew she had to have at least 2 in there.
So we'll have to sell them. I mean, you can see Gigi back here. She just is
Yeah.
a mess. She's, I mean,
Yeah,
it's just
she
about an hour ago.
just...
So we won't name him. We got another one over there that he's become a pet, but he ain't got no name either. And then we got Phil. And,
I don't know. I think we should name them.
name
Maybe
him
they'll
Stu.
maybe they'll sell, because we didn't name him because we was
Yeah.
gonna let whoever got him. But
They're just now nursing.
yeah, or trying to. She's not wanting to let them. Which they may have already done some, because they're
Yeah.
cleaned up pretty good. She's licked them
they
up
were
pretty
they were
good.
dry and everything.
Mm-hmm. So she might be telling them, no, you've had enough for a little bit. And she stays right with her mama.
Yeah.
Yeah, Miss Boots does. Miss Boots likes to stay with her mama.
Well, shoot. Let's hope they'd be girls. Oh, well.
Yeah.
50-50, right?
Yep.
Well, the one that passed, it was a girl. So we would have had, if it would have lived, we'd have had 3 girls and 2 boys.
Mm-hmm.
So, what are you going to name them to?
I don't know. We'll have to.
We'll have to let you know what we're going to name them because, I mean, it just happened.
Yeah, we'll have to think about it.
All right, everybody's healthy. Everybody's fed. I got to get honey a little water over here. And got to feed my chicks. And fed the pigs already. So, I can't get over how big she is.
I know. I need the light down there so we can see her. She's right in the dark.
Can't let me get her again. Here, come here. Come here.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Yes, I know. She's hollering for Ma. Her Ma. She wants her mom, don't
This
she?
might be the prettiest goat we've ever had here. Prettiest goat we ever born. Look at it. It's got good markings.
Yeah.
Got some moon spots. I bet you can't see them in there.
Wait, turn her back around. I think you could. You can get close. Yeah, you can see some spots on her. Yeah. Yep, she's pretty. She's a pretty girl. She's a very pretty girl.
All right. I'm going to finish up. It's raining like cats and dogs. Appreciate that.
I'm gonna get. She was jumping over here.
Uh-oh, she playing around?
She was. Now she's gonna mind her mama and you can't see her.
We'll probably start, since these 2 just got one, we'll probably have to start milking them maybe once a week for a little while because we don't want ones, they tend to favor one side over the other and then dry the other side up permanently. So we might have to just start kind of do a little maintenance milking here maybe in about a week and see how that goes. But her poor little heart's just going 90 miles a minute. That's his heart. I swear I don't think it's got any horns. But it is too early, isn't it?
Yeah, we've thought that before, and then they did. Yeah, I know. I know.
All right, we're going to end the video here, and appreciate everybody watching. We'll keep you updated as they go. If you may want some 2 good boys now, we'll put these up for sale. At any point, I guess. Well, we probably need to wait at least a couple
Yeah,
weeks.
probably. I'd say at least. I don't know, maybe.
I mean, if somebody wants to buy them as a bottle baby, we'll start
Yeah.
milking Gigi. Because Gigi knows how to milk. The other 2 we're going to have to work with. All right, we're going to end the video again for the 3rd time. We're going to end the video here. Give us a thumbs up. We'll keep you updated on the little babies here. So we'll keep the 2 girls, and of course it'll be another year or a year and a half before we breed them. So we'll keep Phil and go another round with him, and we'll have to get us another buck. So, and I don't know how many we want to end up with. Do you?
I don't know.
We got 3, and we'll have 2 more. It'd be 5. What's some other 2 girls? That'd be it. Probably.
Mm-hmm.
But this is so pretty. Look at them ears. I'm gonna take this up to the house. Play with Louie. All right, for the 4th time, give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button over here. Over here. Subscribe. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.